right, so this is Jeff. He was sent to me actually for shoulder replacement surgery. On both shoulders, he's had issues for a very long time. And the steroid injections haven't been working. And unfortunately, he's had some higher risks for surgery. And so when he came to the office, we talked about platelet-rich plasma injection. And even though he functionally has some limitations in how high he can get his arms up, which is a function of the mechanics when you have significant arthritis, our goal was mostly to control pain and try to avoid a surgery. And so, Jeff, how has your experience been so far?
Okay, since I had the shots on June 7th, it's about 3 months ago or so. Now I am, for the most part, pain free. It does ache at times, sometimes, not all the time. The pain in my shoulders used to keep me up at night. Now I'm getting a good night's sleep. I feel great. It has changed my life to a degree that I'm not in pain all the time. Uh, my mobility isn't the greatest. I still can't raise my arms up or reach out, but I'm able to live my life well without doing that stuff and not being in pain all the time. So I would recommend it to anybody to try it and avoid surgery.
Great.